Hello everybody, my name is Magnus Andersson. I'm the CEO of Svensk Glasåtervinning. Svensk Glasåtervinning is the only EPR for container glass in Sweden. It's also the only container glass recycler in Sweden. We've been in business in Sweden since 1986. We collected about 233,000 tons for the last year, 2021. We have contracted basically all the volumes we're supposed to produce for this year. And when it comes to fines, which is a common problem for us, we are in cooperation with foam glass producers in Sweden, Norway, and Finland. Our customers are mainly in three different sectors. About 60% of the glass we sell goes to packaging. About 30% goes to insulation, and about 10% will end up as foam glass. The challenges we see as of now is actually lead content. It's mainly because we have very demanding customers which supply the North American market. We also see problems for us to source vessels for exporting cullet. And we also have some internal problems in Sweden when it comes to electric grid capacity. It's a growing problem. It's not only us, but we see other companies struggling basically to get the capacity needed. We also see major price changes when it comes to energy, and that creates problems when you have a fixed contract with your customer. I'm going to say a few words about the collection system in Sweden. A lot of people know some of these collection systems in Sweden. It's mainly bottle banks. Now there's a legislative change, which means the change is going to affect the collection of packaging. And the date for that is the 1st of January in 2024. And the change is basically that the responsibility will move from the producer to the municipalities. So what will this mean? Well, it's going to be a gradual change from basically 70% bottle bank as we see today to 100% household collection. The end date is currently set to 2027. We suspect, however, that we have a total of 290 municipalities in Sweden, and we suspect that it might take up until 2030 until it's actually implemented in full. So what are the pros of this system? I mean, why the change? Well, the simulation done so far show an increase in collection of plastic by about 38%. That's a massive increase, obviously. We also will see an increase in collection of the cardboard, as milk, juice, and other containers, about 20%. There will be an increase in the collection of metal by about 26%. About 10% increase in the collection of newspaper. However, it's going to be a very modest increase in the collection of glass, which is about 3% or about 6,000 tons. And the cons in the system is when the system is fully in place, when you have 100% household collection, the costs, which is basically going to be borne by the consumer in the end, will be three times what we have today. So basically triple the costs. When you talk about glass, we see that the amount of fines in the incoming glass will increase by 2 to 4 times. The amount of contamination, example, other containers like plastic or paper and glass, will increase by 8 times. And also, we will have several competing EPR schemes, possibly in a similar way as, for instance, in Germany. And the question arises, who will take lead regarding the actual recycling? So that's a few of the things we see with this system. Thank you very much for listening, and have a good day.